What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what I bought on Temu. Now, I know that this app is so popular right now, and of course I just had to get on the wagon and check it out and see what they have to offer. I love horror, so of course I'm on Temu, looking on my phone, scrolling, and I had to type in horror, and I wanted to check out their horror stuff to see what they had. So, I mean, some of the stuff on there is okay. I found like a lot of it wasn't really catching my eye. The thing that caught my attention right away were these. I ended up buying 10 of the mini funkopop horror characters for 17 something. And I thought that was such a good price. So I'm gonna finish opening it up. And then it just came, wow, that's really noisy. They all came in like this. This is like a big bag. They're all in here. There's 10 of them, and they all come with 10 little stands. So I'm really excited to show you guys these. And I'm excited to actually finally be able to put them up. You know, I've just been hoarding them like this. I'll open it and show you guys him. It does come with like this little stand, and you can just put the little figure on it, so when you have it, it doesn't fall over or anything. But oh, he's so freaking cute. I'm in love with him. Of him. So he's pretty sweet. There's a Freddy Krueger I have. I'm gonna open him up and show you guys him. Krueger looks a little funny. Like his head looks really big compared to his body, which is really funny. One I'm going to show you guys is a Leatherface. I'm going to show you guys Billy, the puppet from Saw. I don't know, I got a brain fart there all of a sudden. Ooh, excuse me. Ooh, flush me. I saw that they had Ghostface in the bundle, and I had to get it because I have been wanting a Ghostface Funko Pop forever, and every time I try to get it, it's gone. And I'm just like, figures, because I want it. I'm going to show you guys is Tiffany. So I got Chucky, and now I have Tiffany. I was like, what's on her forehead? But not, oh wait, whoa. Uh-oh. She's scratched. Oh no. Well, yeah, you see that little mark on her cheek? Yeah, I see that. That's what she has. So I'm like, what happened? I don't see her boob tattoo. She's missing her boobie tattoo. She doesn't have that. You guys is Jason. I got is Pennywise. I feel like Pennywise is so overrated. Like, I like Pennywise, don't get me wrong, but like, there's so many other characters that I feel like could be more on top. Just saying. He's just missing his balloon. I should actually give him a little balloon. Wouldn't that be funny? Next one is another Pennywise, but the newer Pennywise. I forget what his name is though. Okay, so here's the newer Pennywise. If you guys look closely, you can see his lips are a little bit chapped, like the paint is kind of coming off, or maybe it's supposed to look like that, I don't know. But the paint is coming off on his lips a little bit, but that's okay. He's still cute. He can get away with it. Okay, so the last one, I have no idea who this is. I don't know if it's like the Sleepy Hollow guy. Is it Zorro? Is it... what's the other guy I was thinking of? The Reaper? Jack the Reaper? I have no idea who this is. So if you guys know who this is, let me know. Because I really don't know who this is. He has like knife in his hand or swords or something. I have no idea. All 10 of the mini horror Funko figurines that I got on Temu. Now, I think they're awesome, they're really cute, but I do notice some flaws in them. Like Tiffany's face, for example. This Pennywise, the lipstick here, it's coming off, like you can see the white part in his lips a little bit. You know how like anal people can be when it comes to like this kind of stuff. So for the price, and I mean it is Temu, so there is a chance that there can be like scuffs and marks and things could be broken, you know. So I mean it doesn't really bug me that Tiffany's face is a bit scraped there. Hopefully I can get it off, but if not, like whatever. That's my first impression of these little figurines. So anyways guys, that is my Temu haul. I hope that you guys did enjoy this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching guys. Bye guys.